Restaurateur Michael Greco and chef Brendan Collins were already wowing eaters with gourmet grub in a garden setting when they decided to reinvent the interior portion of Fia into a steakhouse. The insanely good, albeit pricey, restaurant within a restaurant is just the kind of place to drown in stiff martinis and develop the meat sweats. A meal here starts with one of the best bread baskets ever assembled. Think 4 or 5 different varieties of carbs are served with high-quality butter, salt flakes, and a jar of drippings. From there, phase into meatballs and raclette fondue, bubbles and caviar bumps, or a bluefin tuna. Tartare or salad prepared tableside. The centerpiece of most meals here is a large format cut like a 24-ounce bone-in ribeye, a tomahawk pork chop, or a rack of lamb, some of which have been dry-aged for 30 to 60 days and all of which will hit the wood-burning grill. But it's also sneakily great at pasta and fish. Save room for a big finish as various desserts and nightcaps will satisfy anyone with a refined sweet tooth.